What's up, guys? And today in this video we are playing Retail Tycoon, and this is my store right now. That's from workers, and I thought I would have a heads up, so I have a fresh new start. Anyways, I was in the middle of building, then I just made a video. Oh. Shift. I just need a door here. Right here. Anyway, this is the emergency exit. Wait, did I just really? Actually, that's actually a nice design. It should be like do 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 do. Study manage. My God, why is there so much people? Literally, there's better stores right there. Actually, listen. I already figured how to. I'm not talking that much because I'm sad because I recorded this, then it glitched it, and I lost my progress. So yeah. Wait. Anyways, let's check out the comp. Whoa! I didn't know I can run this fast. Is that a new update or something? Whoa! This place is cool. Whoa! More cooler. The only thing he just needs is a roof, and that's all. Whoa! How do you? Okay, I punch him. Ah! I'm still kind of sick, and that's a bad thing. Oh, that's not my sword. Never mind. This is my sword. Pretty proud of it. Pretty not. Okay, so I need to buy more supplies, even though a robber, policeman. This guy's a robber. No, it's not. What? You're fired. You are fired. You are fired, mister. You didn't even caught anything. My God. Don't. When you have a job, you do it. Manage. Oh. Wait, that's not. Oh, it's actually going kind of smoothly. Everybody rebel about sell out, so get it working. How do you do this? What? Huh? Nah. How does people do this? Okay. Dang it. Okay, let's explore the world of... wait. This is rude, but I was about to state. Kind of sick. I am sick. What am I saying? I'm sick. I think I can not make any videos. I don't feel well, to be honest. Let's just go back. What? Is that my store? Yes, my store. Wait, we ran up all stuff. Oh my god, there's soda pops. Just soda pops. Oh my god. Oh, no! 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 No, don't worry. Don't worry, I can get some supplies. Let's get a few soda pops. And, books. There's still enough soda pops. Okay, I'll go manage this. I'll go manage this. Hurry, Jaden, hurry, hurry. Okay, done. Supplies. Let's get some books. They need to be educated. What? No! Where do you get books? No! My god! You shady little... Oh my god, why is there so much robbers in my store? Furnish, oh, that's where I put all my books. Furnish again. Furnish one more time, furnish one more time. Sign. Sorry for that noise. I don't have enough. I don't have enough. I repeat, I don't have enough. I need some more items. No! No! worry, people. Oh. No, you're fired. You're fired. Wait. This guy's fired. Oh. I'll take your order. Ah! You're all fired. I. Oh my god, I just ruined my store. Yes. Little more. Why is this guy buying so much soda pops? God. Yeah, thanks. Okay, I got this. Okay, options. Close goats. I didn't sneeze. Oh god. I didn't sneeze. I just need what I think, but furnish. Uh. You know what? Screw it. Oh my god. Okay. That'll be the end of this video because I just messed up my whole entire shop. Everything was going smoothly, but I have to ruin it. Anyways, if you like this video, please subscribe. And if you want more contact, hit that like button. And when you subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be a part of the notification squad. And if you're still down there, leave a comment for my Q&A. And see you guys later. Bye!